There are some islands on our planet that challenge the definition a bit. A landmass that is surrounded by water. But zoomed out far enough, it's easy to wonder why Greenland is considered an island, while Australia isn't. The answer in that particular case is that continents aren't islands because they sit on their own continental lithosphere and tectonic plate. And Greenland is part of the North American tectonic plate. Once you zoom in a bit further, you start to see all the other types of islands. There are volcanic islands, river islands, and coral islands, and some landmasses that continue carrying the island badge, despite now being connected to the mainland by a land bridge. There are islets and atolls, artificial islands, and recursive islands. Once again, I found myself scouring for islands in the Great Lakes, this time in the frigid waters of Lake Superior. I returned to Isle Royale, a mythical island whose tales were woven into my own upbringing in the great state of Michigan. Tales of hunting trips and mosquito-drenched camping expeditions. With more than 200 square miles, it's the largest island in Lake Superior. It's surrounded by 450 smaller islands, all together making up Isle Royale National Park. There's evidence suggesting ancient copper mining happened here more than 6,000 years ago. The place is rich with this stuff. The mining resumed thousands of years later, during the 19th century, but it all came to an end when extraction slowed. By then, the island had also been stripped of its trees due to commercial logging. Once resource-rich, now barren and left to recuperate. The island has a handful of interior lakes, one of which, Lake Siskiwit, is large enough to contain several islands. Islands on lakes on islands. Recursive islands. The largest island on that lake is Ryan Island. I'm not sure why it is, but thinking about being on that island gives me the coziest of feelings. It's just so tucked away. Ryan Island has been rumored to have a seasonal pond in which a giant boulder sits. And so for a brief while, until the rumor was debunked by boots on the ground, that rock was the largest island in the largest lake, on the largest island in the largest lake in the world.